Do vegetables have protein? Do they have enough protein? Let's find out. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here and have joined me again for another video. If you are new here, subscribe. I would love to have you in our community. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it and want to see more videos like this. My name is Amanda and I am the co-owner of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make plant-based snacks to help meet all of your snacking desires. I will link them in the description box below, where you can find them on Amazon, Walmart.com, our website, Etsy, and even a few other websites. I also have a freebie in the description box below. Be sure to go down there and snag that. In another video, which I will link above and below, I kind of left you hanging and just said vegetables have protein. Well, today we're digging into which vegetables have the most protein and just chatting about it. If you are transitioning into a plant-based life, or you are vegan or vegetarian, or want to add more plant-based protein into your diet, plants are a great source for that. So let's talk about which ones. Even if you are still eating meat, or maybe you're vegan and your partner is not, but you want to incorporate more plant-based proteins into your meals, vegetables are a great way to start. Baby steps are a super successful way to start as well. It's very hard to say, okay, I want to have 100 grams of protein from plants every day. But if you're currently eating only 10 to 20 grams from plants, it makes it difficult to just jump right in. At least that's my personal preference. For me, it's easier to take, okay, I'm going to add in 5 grams every day, or I'm going to add in 5 grams per day this week. And that helps me stick with my plant-based lifestyle. It is incredibly unlikely that you are protein deficient. In step number 1, I would recommend that you talk to your doctor or your dietitian or your nutritionist to talk about your specific needs, because each person is different. And a person who can thrive off of tofu may not be the case for someone else. But let's talk about what plants today have protein in them and which ones you can start adding to your meals this week. First up, we have broccoli. In 1 cup of broccoli, you'll have about 3 grams of protein. So that's a great side to your dinner. The cool thing about when you add plants to your diet, maybe your goal is to add in protein, but when you add in plants, they're also adding in so many other nutrients. Let's start with broccoli. So in 1 cup of broccoli, you'll have about 3 grams of protein, but you will also get all of the amino acids. You will also enjoy vitamin C, vitamin K, antioxidants, even more nutrients. This one's gotta be my favorite. Potatoes. In 1 medium potato, you'll get about 5 grams of protein. Now, potatoes get a bad rap because of carbs and starch, but your body needs carbs. It is important. So let's have some really good carbs. Potatoes, again, number 1 favorite. On top of the protein, you'll enjoy vitamin C, vitamin B6, and phytochemicals. So don't feel guilty about eating potatoes. French fries, I would limit those. I wouldn't have French fries every day, but air fryer French fries, I'm on board with that. Next, we have spinach. In 1 cup of spinach, you will have 1 gram of protein, which sounds like not a lot. I would say it for all that spinach, it's not a lot. But the difference here is that protein is 30% of the calories in spinach. So unlike a piece of steak where you have however many grams of protein, you're also getting all of those other things, all the mini calories. Whereas in spinach, you're getting very few calories and protein. Spinach is also one of the most nutrient-dense foods as well. You will get all of the amino acids, folate, and vitamin K, and more vitamins on top of that. So you can see how you're not getting a ton of protein, but you're getting not very many calories and lots of essential amino acids and nutrients that our body needs to thrive. Up next is cauliflower. You will find 2 grams of protein and about 1 cup of cauliflower. And of course, again, you will enjoy lots of other nutrients like vitamin K and phosphorus. Cauliflower is awesome because it does have vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, which is amazing. It's been shown to fight cancer. So go load up on some cauliflower tonight. Asparagus is another powerful vegetable. You will enjoy 3 grams of protein in 1 cup of asparagus, and it will also help alkalize your body by flushing out unproductive acids, on top of all the other nutrients jam-packed into asparagus. Asparagus has iron, zinc, along with digestible B vitamins and so many other nutrients. So I would add this to your dinner tonight too. In an ear of corn, you'll get about 5 grams of protein, and you'll also enjoy vitamins A, B, E, and fiber. So that is a great thing to add to your upcoming meals this summer. Onions are another way to add some protein to your plate. You'll get about 2 grams of protein from an onion. You will also help to rejuvenate your skin, which is a great benefit of onions. And I love onions. I honestly could put them in everything, along with garlic. I love garlic. Last up is kale. How could we not put kale on the list? Because you know that here at Slow Foods Kitchen, we love kale. Kale has 3 grams of protein, about 1 cup. Kale is also packed with vitamins A, B6, vitamin C, vitamin K, and phosphorus and sulforaphane, so many great powerhouses of nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. So I would definitely add some kale to all kinds of meals. The cool thing about kale is, sometimes people don't love it. That's okay. You can mix it into things like your smoothies and toss it in an apple to help give it a sweeter flavor, but still get the benefits of having fresh raw kale. So that was just a few vegetables, and you can see they all have protein, and some have more protein than others. But if you start to build a meal of plants from tofu, add in some kale, add in some lentils, add in some asparagus, before you know it, you have a full, satisfying plate of food, and you've also helped to get plenty of plant-based protein. Again, be sure to talk to your doctor to see what your specific needs are, because those do vary from person to person. And thanks for coming to our video. We are so glad that you are here. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and do plan to be right back here next Friday for next week's video. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next week.